How to enable or disable call alerts vibrate when call ends on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Phone App. After click on Phone App, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down and click on Call Alerts and Ringtone. After click on Call Alerts and Ringtone and scroll down and you will see click if you want to enable vibrate when call ends, so turn on this button. After turn on this button you will see vibrate when call ends is turned on and enable. If you want to disable vibrate when call ends, so turn off this button. After turn off this button you will see vibrate when call ends is disabled. You will enable or disable vibrate when call ends from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable call alerts vibrate when call ends on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.